I survived the battle with belly fat, years of trying every trick in the book, from restrictive diets to exhausting workouts, only to feel defeated and discouraged. Then, I spent time searching for something that would actually work, and that's when I found the power of walking. Simple, right? But it's true. Every day, I built a 30-minute walking routine that became my game changer. I started with a brisk walk, making sure to engage my core with every step. As I progressed, I added intervals, walking faster for a few minutes, then slowing down, and even incorporating side steps and walking lunges to really target those stubborn belly areas. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now, but let's be real, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I faced days when I just didn't feel like getting up and moving. That's when I reminded myself of why I started and how far I'd come. I saved myself from giving up by celebrating small victories, like noticing my clothes fitting better or feeling more energized throughout the day. The physical results were clear. I got leaner, my belly started to flatten, and I felt stronger. But what surprised me the most was the mental transformation. I built resilience, confidence, and a sense of control over my health. Every walk became a step closer to not just a flatter belly, but a healthier, happier me. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. The key to my success? Consistency. I tracked my progress, whether it was through how I felt, how I looked, or even how much more confident I became. I saved time by fitting my walks into my daily routine, sometimes in the morning, sometimes after work. It wasn't about finding time, it was about making time. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. So here's my advice: don't underestimate the power of a 30-minute walk. Start today and stay consistent. Track your progress, celebrate the small wins, and watch as you walk your way to a flatter belly and a healthier life. You've got this.